Welcome guys. I have built this 4-bit breadboard computer and my control logic is based on the 74HC4514 and a combination of OR gates. Now I am unboxing the order from the robo.in which contains 4 input OR gate. CD4072 is the number of that IC. I don't use this IC into my 4-bit breadboard computer. To build a 8 input OR gate, I use single OR gate IC, that is 2 input OR gate IC. I order 4072 CD4072 4 input OR gate IC. We will see how it's working. I have never used this IC before, but we will use it into our control logic in further experiment. Next IC I ordered, that is the MC14490 bounce eliminator IC. This is normal key or switch possess bounce problem in it. We can connect 6 inputs to this IC to gives us bounce free 6 outputs. See the pin out of this IC. Pin number 7 is connected to the pin number 9 through the capacitor. Capacitor value should not be below the 100 picofarad. MC14490 is 16 pin IC. Pin number 8 is ground and pin number 16 is VCC. 6 input signals and 6 output signals are there. In this circuit, pin number 1 and pin number 14 is used. Pin number 1 is A input and pin number 14 is A output. Now this thing you can see on the screen. A out pin we are using directly as clock pulse for binary counter. One end of the switch is connected to the VCC, that is the positive 5 volt, and the other end is connected to the ground through pull down resistor, 10K pull down resistor. You can see that setup on the screen. Pin number 7 and 9 are connected through 0.1 microfarad capacitor. Let's see the principle of working of this IC. It uses the 4-stage shift register. Output value we are getting, that is the delay input value. It means there is some delay to get the output value, so that eliminate the bounce. See the internal circuitry of this IC. Uses 4-bit shift register, exclusive OR gate, and internal oscillator. All the 6 inputs and outputs has the same circuitry. This is what the setup of our experiment. 4-bit binary counter has been used to demonstrate bounce and debounce. You will see one push of normal switch give multiple switching. On the other hand, our debounce IC will give us a nice and smooth switching. Here you can see the single pushing of switch, normal switch gives a multiple counting, that is from 4 to 7, 7 to 12 and like that. We will get the wrong output when we'll use such normal switch into our project, and we will not get succeed. Use of schemic trigger IC, that is 74SC14 or triple timer IC, we can eliminate this bounce problem. But here we are trying MC14490 for our bounce problem. We can see this huge bounce problem by using such normal switch without the use of any such debounce circuit. Normal switch is connected to this MC14990 input, and now you can see nice and smooth counting. Bounce problem of switch has been completely eliminated. We can use this IC in our 4-bit breadboard computer for input purpose. It will be useful into the manual input control. Okay, enough is this. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.